In this video, I'm going to show you how to email invoices to Dext. Now, the first thing you want to do on your dashboard, you want to go to Add Documents top left. And now from here, you want to go to either Costs or Sales up top. So if you go to Costs, this is where you can basically attach purchase invoices, or if you have sales invoices, you want to go to Sales. So I have an example of a sales invoice over here. That's why I'm going to click on here. You want to scroll down, and here it's going to basically tell you Extract by Email, and you'll be able to see your own personal email. Okay, so it says one document per file or one document per page, so select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with this one over here, so I'm gonna click on copy email to clipboard because I'm gonna have one document per file. And whenever you copy this, of course, you want to go to your email. Now, of course, if you have the purchase invoices, you're gonna find it down here at the bottom, but for me it's the sales invoices, so I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna go to my email, click on compose. Now this can be any email. In here you want to basically type in your to over here, so that's going to be the email you copied, and then in here you want to attach your invoice. Okay, so I have this invoice over here, which I'm just going to drag and drop, or just click on the attach button and attach your file that way. Okay, so after you do that, you basically have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually attach. So as you can see, there we go, it's now attached, and then you can click on the send button. Now whenever you do this, you can add a subject. I'm not going to. I'm going to click on OK, and the message has now been sent. And if I go back to Dext over here, it's going to take a bit to actually process this, but that's essentially how to email invoices to Dext. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.